Previously, Hahf London.
Hello? Yes, Auntie. What?
My mother just took a biopsy. We are now waiting for the results.
You have an explanation. I have always thought you're a responsible man.
I'm a responsible man, Sheila. I'm the Trevor, you know.
Responsible men don't cheat.
Long ago echanna mukaka wali olandiro ya duka ne sente z'obupangisa emyezi ebiri teyakwatibwa kisasibwa kisa lwe lwasemba landiro ddi waffe otukwatibwa ekisa wowe abantu bakusonga mu lugalo eyegwe kyalo ku kyalo abumaganye kikatu munoonye nalo byamamba abumaganya ekyalo abantu bakusonga mu lugalo eyegwe kyalo
Shami, listen. Kati ogenda kunimba ki? Wajja weegonza that you wanted a babysitter. And I pulled out of my uncle's clinic. Nange nfune ku kasente. But it's been 5 days. 5 days. And you haven't paid a penny.
Listen.
I have no friends with money. Nze ku sente siba na mukwano.
Kale, kankunnyonnyole. I asked you to help me out on Jaden because I had an important assignment. It's coming to an end.
My dear, assignment or not, nze byo tebinkwatako. Look, people have already started taking sides after that Sheila saga. Wabula oli muzibu.
Ate ndi muzibu nti. No one will understand my situation, and you'd be the only one who can give me an ear.
All right. What exactly is happening?
Remember that guy I told you about? The father of my baby.
Of course I know the father of your child. That guy you stay with, Simon.
Ate gwe nkutidde.
Yeah? Chogamba.
He's the guy who found us at the hostel. I've been looking for him for almost a year now. Trevor is the love of my life.
Kwegamba bulijjo Sheila abadde alowooza ali ku kituufu. Kumega the guy is a player.
I don't really think he's one. Things happen.
People always say these things happen, eh? Nga balina bye bafuniramu. Anyway, where is my money?
Sente zongenda kuzikuwa. But I need another favor from you.
Ate kati kiki?
I need you to go to my place and pick my child.
Ndekamu bambi. Last time you left me home with your man. Sada on the issues. My friends do not trust me around their guys.
Nzoyo naye yamanye ebizibu bye. Genda mu maaso.
Hello, hello, one go. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a William Castanyo, Chichocho, Tia Castle LC1, London, Hahf London, what is see? Our own Chichocho. The days, only 2 days to go. Oh no, the 2 days to go. And we're going to go. Timbani.
Oli kwani?
Chichoncho Timbani oyo.
Ziraba.
Ndi mukulanga chichoncho. Chichoncho omuwala omuto. Embola kalevu. Gundi ose otimba kuzira baba bakadde.
Emize nina candidate babiri.
Ani omulala? Nena kiboneka.
Nena kiboneka.
Kati owagira ka.
Two candidates.
Two candidates atego. Gwe. Akawulu katuuba ba. Nayo nagenda bakubaka lutemutegera.
Tajja.
Chichoncho.
Gwe tomumanyi kumanya. Nakiboneka alongo side ziraba.
Quiz nakiboneka.
Nakiboneka tomumanyi.
Mukadde oyu. Lebe emyaka. Ono fresh from university.
Kagambe ekintu kimu. Nze mpagira ono ako baki. Nono. Ekisinga obukulu. Manne bits Gonzaga. Na kigwa.
Okay.
Wait. Did you hear what happened at Vienna?
Vienna? No. What happened?
Last week, on Monday.
Is that how you're also going to behave? Just because you joined university?
Edda.
So, for 3 years, your mother's been paying for your hostel room. Yet you're busy running a marriage? Who is that man?
He's a brother rider.
What?
My brother.
He's in the past now.
Sheila, Auntie has been struggling with you for all this long. Working hard to facilitate your well-being. Gwengoli mbufumbo.
Manang, I have a lot on my head going on. Muyinza okundeka muko.
Hey, Gundi. This is Bodaga Gundi. Kavulu.
Hey, I know Kavulu.
Had issues with her girlfriend, Sheila.
Issues?
Hey.
Did they catch him sneaking around with that neighbor?
Which neighbor?
You know that girl, Angela?
Hey.
Had a boyfriend who was a mechanic. And that business was lucrative in Juba. What a bunyo,
mechanic Juba.
Mama, what are you come? Nategera bajja bakwata.
That's not the rumor. Olugambo luliwo. That guy came back. Naye mwavu. No, broke to the extent tachaswana kuda kurungi yali yapangisa. But that's not what happened at Vienna.
Now mbulira. What happened? Because I have to go. Nino gine ne malize eriyo nino ngina kwa announcing abantu mbategeze. I have to make the announcement today. Hey. To make the announcement, all of you I have to go there in the swamps.
The swamps?
Yes, no kubambuka bon.
Okay, the thing is like this.
What happened?
Kavulu and Sheila got misunderstandings. Then Sheila decided, ran back to those tales where she had rented with a friend. Monaye Kavulu, Teyapoye, Kavulu followed the girl, trying to bow, Nawa, Nil, Wa. No, Sheila, she doesn't want to know. Sorry, she now, Kuna. Sheila took a hostel. Kavulu, without knowing, the other new girlfriend of his stays with Sheila.
You a liar. You a liar.
How?
Sheila left Vienna long time ago. And she was replaced by a tall girl called Annette.
What yo? That girl Annette, she's the one who caused all this.
Now, what happened, Kisaki?
Auntie, Sheila, she's very sick. Actually, I didn't have to dream.
Serious?
Gigi.
You mean this new girl, Beauty Sheila, to that extent now she's nursing wounds in the hospital?
Who told you that? Movie enjoy Daniel Gandhi much. I'm done. I'm done.
But what happened exactly?
You know Luganda, you're going to man. Who told you that, Luma?
You told me Kavulu had 2 girlfriends. Nange ngamba chakumu yakubye mu nebinyi.
Put that aside. How is your candidate Chichoncho performing?
Bitu biveko. Yakoya ku Chichoncho. Ale Chichoncho. Ye wano ku ground abakubi. Very fresh from the university.
Anafuga.
If we join our hands and we support this lady. Mama ni ageno mungu.
Aizo siriye wo. Siriyo. Kine cha uchagwenyuka.
Ati if all things goes well. If all goes well. We would like to have the first female chairperson of this village.
Ngayani?
Chicho. Atani. Ebirozo bipya.
You say this village of Aflanadi. Chagira. Chagwenyuka. Twetagwa omuntu agero tofuga nga mugwenyufu. Ora kati ono ziraba. Ye gwenyuka dda.
Bukadde magezi nayo bukadde busiru.
Zira ono ziraba asula mu lukubo be bantu betwagala talina nyumba. Nakiboneka. Tachina business kale buli obuyimba bwe
mama nyita muli
mbulandiro ndi
agenda fuga ani oyo
no obuyimba bwe taka bwasolozamu kati obuzibu Chichoncho waina. She's more educated. How can is that university graduate come and stand for that gundi village leadership akafako aliokalete ideas ze wano
very fresh new ideas mvubuka. But for me I have a plan.
Which plan?
This is our time to make money. How? Tugende nga tulumba every candidate. Yes, MBA. Tumugambe we are in charge of posting the posters all the village. Wins nawe. Teba biyingiza amomo ya tusanga omuntu a posting ekifana.
Ye wamma. Kicho kisobola okukola. Naye kati ekiriwo tutandise nani?
Acha yajja. How did you find me?
I know this place.
How?
Shayla brought me some time.
Okay.
Come on. It was so unfair of you. After having an amazing time that night, and then you just decide to walk off?
Annette, I didn't even know what was going on. I didn't know nothing.
Look, people meet each and every other time. Kate and Jack met on that day on the Titanic, and they became great lovers of that time.
You very well know that. So, is this the reason you have been calling me? Is this the reason you are, like you have come to see me?
Yes. Well, not just for just, but I want to be next to you.
Annette, you know I have a girlfriend. God, why are you doing this to me?
That's exactly the point. I've been looking for you months and months, day and night. And when I found out that you're staying in Hahf, London, I came to find you, but I didn't see you. But see, God brought you to me.
I am really sorry I bumped into you that night. It's not my way of behavior. Sorry.
Who is that man? Who is that lumpen playing poker with your feelings? I want to teach him a life lesson. Nienda kanyiga.
Seriously, what happened?
I just felt weak and I fainted. Actually, I don't remember much.
How come I don't believe you?
Wama, she rented her hostel to an old friend. Hostel. To her old friend. Kati yafunye mubuzibu n'omulenzi we. Nayagala addukireyo.
Omulenzi omanyi bulungi.
Bannange, muyinza okulekerawo okwogera ku muswaswa ngulo ogwo wano. Gwe kano vibes njagala kwebaka. Nande kuvaayo.
bwatya lwalirumu omuko wapangisa yesiwuka empisa ow'engeri gye yeeyisa
Like I've been telling you, we can't allow Madman to become chairman. Nsereko should be disqualified.
Nachimunuka, before we deal with Nsereko, how dare you stand in the line of a lion?
Chairman, Sikutegede, you are talking lion. Where is it?
Don't you know that I'm the only lion in this land? How did you pick forms and stand for the chairmanship?
Chairman, for me, I don't stand him because I want.
Hey.
It is the women they say, you stand it in the chairman. We want change. And now I say, let me stand in. And remember, you did not help your friend. Muno, when this madman in Sereko was chasing him, she stole the meat. Okay. You remember?
Nachimoneka, katukole bwetuti. You stay in the race. Stand for the chairmanship. But when the voting comes, tell all the women to vote for me.
Okay, we shall jump the bridge when we get there. But for now, the reason why I called you on phone was to tell you Nsereko is not Nsereko. Nsereko is the dead running man.
Aha. Now that is my concern. You have been spreading rumors that Nsereko is not Nsereko.
Nsereko is Kaleba, a dead running man from Kangulumira. He's involved in a murder. That is why I called the police to come and catch Nsereko.
Nachiboneka, why do you stay here? Why don't you go to the police station instead of waiting for the police to come here? Waiting for the police seems to be futile.
Chairman, for the future to be bright, we have to remove Nsereko.
Nachiboneka, who talked about your future?
Future.
I said futile. Police officer.
Now was it? I hope you're having a healthy campaign.
Yeah.
It's 2 days to
I'm almost winning.
Listen to me. The landlord of this area. The reason why I called you, I want you to catch Nsereko.
Why? Why?
Tamani. Nsereko is a mad man. Nsereko is a running man. Nsereko is a killer.
Nachiboneka, your ways are not police ways. If you have a concern, come to station.
Afande, when I am seeing TV, I see the diplomat in his house. Now the police, he go there to write the what?
The statement.
The statement. Now I say, why not me call you to come and write my one statement in my home? Don't you know I am landlord in Nachiboneka?
Nachiboneka. Wefu.
Now, officer, Afandi, it has come to my knowledge that one of the contestants in this race Ward C is impersonating himself. Impersonating. Yes.
Impersonating.
Chairman, you have evidence?
Yes, I have it.
Nakamate. She went to the village to bring the woman with evidence.
Nachiboneka. Katuwega sene chairman.
Hani okwegata.
Haino mtunuulira. Era naye musajja mukulu. We were 2 adults. We met and made a consent. Katutandika kwebuzaabuza.
But see, Sheila is in hospital after all this mess.
And the Bible states it very clear that let every man carry their own cross.
And Sheila is my cross.
Sheila, it's not like she's going to be the first person to lose someone to another. And that day of the wedding, the day we met, I just found out that my boyfriend was seeing someone else.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad we met. I'm still up to date. And now that I've found you, I can't even express.
Annette, what exactly do you want from me?
I want you. Do you regret what happened that night? I still see you stopping when everyone had eluded me. You see, and the coldness that night perished all in the warmth of your chest.
Sheila met me at the verge of death. She breathed new air into my life. It is not every day that you meet such commitment. Sorry.
Next, Mohaflanda.
Bannanga abantu b'ekitundu kino nze chairman wammwe Nsereko nzabagamba nti akutandika olunaku lw'enkya akalulu mukawe mudya nnyama. Nsereko oye! Nsereko oye!
This is not just about me. I'm representing tens of girls and standing feet of many border guys out there.